So one of the things you do as a renter is that you end up doing a walkthrough inspection with your property manager. And I just want to walk you through our apartment and give you an idea of some of the things you should take note of.
Welcome to Redoin Life, a channel that encourages and empowers you to recognize you are the agent of change in your life and to start changing.
One of the things I recommend is look at your ceiling. I'm here in the walk-in closet, right? There's either screws or nails that are coming off from the ceiling. I'll just zoom in here. There's a crack on the ceiling there, and that is a material damage done to the ceiling that we are not responsible for. So this is something that would get repaired. So we're here in our kitchen, and here's one of the sprinklers. The sprinkler has water circle ring around it, so we did point that out, and it is considered one of those items where it'll just get painted over, but make sure that you're watching if water's pooling on these over time. Now we're heading into the master bathroom, and I wanted to point out something here in our tub. Look at our drain. Look how rusted that is. And this was not done by us. And so this is another item that is material and would have to actually get replaced. Now I just want to show you what happened under our sink. Those are like bottles that probably didn't get wiped over time. So one of the solutions we're going to implement is putting in cupboard lining inside all of our drawers. We have an bit of an ant problem. We don't think it's a pest problem, but so far I think this is the 12th ant we saw today. And this is in our master bedroom. And you can see we have these traps here. You see, this little guy don't want to go in. Oh, there's two, look at that. We have found 2 ants. And they just disappeared under the heat register. We know that there's 2 ant hills just 2 doors down from our apartment here. And so we know this is a bit of a problem. Here in our living room, and we notice on the floor that there's green paint. And there's paint over here. And then we also notice paint over here. So we are here at our patio door, and I wanted to note something that our property manager already saw. And so this is the glass door screen. If you notice on the screen, here on the left, it's already been shredded. So luckily, our property manager saw this and already made note that this is going to get fixed. Oh, and once again, we believe there was a painter who lived here, so we see the markings of our painter, which is green paint. This is our patio door framing, okay? And so luckily, our property manager noticed this. As you can see, you'll notice on the baseboard here, or the framing of the patio door, that these dents were here before us. So we're not responsible for this. Right, so we're stepping into the second bedroom here, and this is something my husband actually noticed. So you'll notice that we have hot water heating. Oh, once again, theme of green paint. You'll notice, take a look at the heat registers. So on the left-hand side, it looks pretty straight, right? But look at the heat register on the right. Why is it all dented up? Why is it curved that way? So we made sure that we pointed that out to our property manager, hey, what's up with this? What's going on? And we didn't do it. Overall, for those who are seasoned renters or who are brand new renters, make sure you take the time and energy when you are with your property manager to evaluate head to toe of your rental apartment, because you just never know what surprises you'll see. If you have the opportunity to view your rental unit before you head on over, make sure that you already know these little details so that you can let your property manager know ahead of the game. Check every square inch. Check everything. Why? Because you don't want to be held accountable for any damages or issues that came before you.
Want more info on rental apartment viewing and inspection tips? Check out our blog article for more information right here. Stay tuned for more videos to come on apartment content.